Hello, lovelies. I got a prize. So I don't know if you guys have, I don't know if it's just my social media feed or everyone's, but my social media feed has been just drowning me with this particular foundation called il.Makiage. And basically they're like, hey, like these girls are like, they're blending in their skin like, oh my God, it's such a perfect match. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, I like the idea. You go online, you take a survey. They ask you, I think it was all of 7, 8, 9 questions. And then they match you with a shade. And then they ship it to you. And you can do a try, like a try before you buy. They give you a 15 to 14 day free trial. So that's what I opted to do. I was just up late. I had seen it 1,000 times prior to that particular moment. And I was just like, you know what? You caught me at the right time, il.Makiage. Let's do this. So I did it. I ordered it quite a little bit ago. The shipping actually took quite a while, like longer than what I would have expected. But I got it in the mail today. So I'm like, oh, fun. I get to do something entertaining when I get home. So I washed off all my face makeup that I had today whenever I went to work. I left on my eyebrows. Actually, you know what? First of all, it is hard to wash your face and try to leave like this bit alone. Like, this much of my eyebrow was so much lighter than the other one, so I had to fill that back in real quick. But it's difficult to do, just FYI. So here is the packaging that it came in. It came in a black packaging. It also says, minimalism is dead. Okay. So let's open this bad boy up. And while I'm opening it, I gotta give a shout out to all the cool kids, because this is Calling All Cool Kids channel. Right now, I'm just calling all the cool kids moms and sisters and brothers and uncles and cousins and nieces and aunts and all those things, right? I'm just doing one for the grown-ups. That's all. All right, can I open it? Maybe? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, it's not as bad. Just that first little thing. So you guys are completely opening it with me. Okay, so black packaging, super cute. Comes in a box. Oh. Well, hello. This is cute. Where'd you go? There we are. This is cute. I like the little packaging. It's nice. Little chrome moment on the front. Oh, sorry. I'm opening. Okay. So, here's what you see when you first open the box. So I have how it works. Try the products. These products are yours to try for 14 days, starting on the day they were delivered. So today should be my day 1. 2. Love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, visit il.Makiage.com/return to download your return label and send back any returns within 14 days of delivery. At the end of the trial, you'll only be charged for the products that you kept. Okay, they got questions, they got customer service stuff. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Says it right here, people. Right there on the card. All right, so get yours right. 1, apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Oh, so it must like do some changing action. Don't match your neck or wrists. They're a different tone than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. This video is just going to be a shade match test. I will potentially upload, hey, what are you doing there, Sugarfoot? Potentially upload a video. Hey, what are you doing? Can Mommy finish making her video, please? Okay. They want confetti. It comes with confetti. There you are. Confetti! Watch out. You're going to step over the thing, please. Got it?
Sorry.
It's okay. It's all good. No worries. Okay.
Did you hear that?
I hear it.
Sounds like grass.
Please carry on.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so we have, oh, sorry, the foundation, which looks like this. Can you see it? So this is in the shade Woke Up Like This, I believe is what it says. And what is this? Oh, this is just whatever this is. Okay, it also says if I don't love it, I can exchange it and I won't be charged anything. I also got a little gift in mine, which I thought was pretty sweet. I don't know what it is. It just said Mystery Ghostess Ink. Is it eyeliner? Oh, it is. So, oh, hello felt tip eyeliner. Okay, let me see here. Nice little line. I'll have to play around with that later. So I'm not mad at the gift. Okay, so back to this part, now that we've seen the super sweet eyeliner that it comes with. So, like I said, they shade matched me as the Woke Up Like This. I can't even open this box. The box is super cute, though. I'm not mad at it. The most reviewed foundation online. That's what they say. Who knows? I don't know. Oh, okay. Sorry. They're marketing. Sorry, I don't speak low maintenance. What is going on? Someone's bougie. Okay. Look, I really love the packaging though. It's just adorable, and it's got like a little magnetic moment happening in the box. That's cute. Okay, so once again, the shade they matched me with was Woke Up Like This 121. Here's the bottle. So, see? Okay. Yeah, so, oh no, excuse me, it's Woke Up Like This 120. I don't know why I said 121 a moment ago. That's incorrect. All right, let's open it and get it on. Okay, so I just got the little plastic piece off. And so it's kind of a frosted bottle, which is cute. The lid is black. It does come with a pump, which I love pumps. I'm not mad at the pump. I do have my beauty blender here. It's already a little damp for me. Look, I've already forgotten the instructions. What did they say? Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. So I'm gonna put it on my back, on the back of my hand, just because, well, that's what I'm used to doing. So, oh, I still have my little thing. Well, we'll just put it to the side. Let's see if you can see this go. Oh, let's get it going first. Okay. Oh, well. Okay, well, there's some. All right, so I'm gonna grab that much. Let's see how this bad boy does. Is my beauty blender still damp enough? Maybe. Okay. It doesn't have that much of a smell, which is nice. It has some kind of scent, but it's not overpowering. It's very light. The color. don't know. Let me, I don't think my beauty blender was damp enough though, just FY in all the eyes. So let's do this other side. I mean, I don't know what to say right now. It's actually not, I mean, it's, sorry, I'll try to like edit my camera just a bit without it like falling down. But it also said to wait like 5 minutes, didn't it? It'll wait 5 minutes because I almost shade matching right now even. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I don't think it looks bad at all, actually. I think, I kind of like it. I got it all over my lip, but that's okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm not mad at the shade match, I don't think. I don't know what to say. I do kind of like it. I was expecting to rip this thing apart. I mean, not in a super duper bad way, but I just wasn't expecting it to actually, you know, do the thing. So I'm gonna let it, I think I've blended it out plenty well enough. Coverage, please hold. As far as coverage goes, I mean, I think it's fine. I don't have overly problematic skin, but there are definitely pieces of my skin that tend to get red, especially like right here around my nose. Pardon me. And it knocked that out. I didn't put on primer. I didn't put on primer. So right now, which that's not a bad thing, because I did definitely want to try the foundation by itself. I'm not mad at it. It's not. I think the coverage is good. The color match is actually way better than what I thought it was going to be. But because I'm so used to wearing moisturizers and like hydrating primers, it by itself it feels a little drying-ish. So I may do it again and see if the texture for my skin personally feels better when I put on a primer with it. So I may actually just go do that right now. I think I'm gonna go wash my face one more time, make sure and prime this time, and we'll do it again. Guess who's back with a whole clean face? Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. I'm gonna prime this time with a hydrating primer. My most recent go-to. Hey guys, do you mind shutting that door, please? Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate you. So my most recent hey, it's mom life, right? Is this one here. So I love the NYX Bear With Me hydrating primer. So it's my new fave. So just, this isn't a tutorial on this, but just FYI, I really like it. I enjoy it. I definitely think it is very much so hydrating. It's also light. It doesn't weigh me down, but I also feel like it definitely helps the application. It literally looks just like a jelly. It's kind of cool. Whenever I first got it, I was like, what is this? What's that doodle? So now I shall prime. So going back to the il.Makiage board this way, 120. So far, I have to say, shade matching wise, yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not mad at it. Which is why I didn't even give it the opportunity to wait the 5 minutes, because I actually think that the color match was pretty spot on. I mean, I think that the little quizzy quiz did a pretty good job. That's what I'm sure. Okay. Oh yes, now I just feel glowy. Glowy and dewy and shiny and hydrated. Don't judge me. Okay. I kind of wanted to redamp my beauty blender, but that's fine. Okay, we'll just go in. So we'll do the little pumpy pump. We'll do the dabby dab, and then the blendy blend. Do 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 do. Okay. Knocking out redness, check. Feeling a little less dry, check. Yeah, so especially this time of the year, my skin, I mean, I need it. I need the moisturizers. I need I always put on just a regular moisturizer in the daytime. Typically one that has some SPF action. And then I typically go, if I am going to wear foundation, I typically go with a hydrating primer, just because I mean, it is what it is. Most of them, you know, I try to just suck all the moisture from your face. And that's just not what we need, right? We're not about that dry life. So we need all of that. All of that. So don't mind my clanky earrings. Aren't they adorbs though? Okay, so we're gonna be all nice and blendy, blendy, blendy. Okay, this video is going a little longer than what I wanted, which is typical me. But what I'm gonna do is I am going to pause here. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna come back so you guys can see the color match. I might put on a little lip gloss, who knows. Oh, hey. Okay, so 5 minutes has passed. I did it just long enough to throw in a little lippy. I went ahead and tried the little eyeliner that they sent me, which I like it. Guys, I really, really like the foundation. I mean, I like it a lot. It really settled well. Yeah, I think it looks great. Like, I'm not mad at it. I like the way it looks. For my skin, like I said, I absolutely recommend making sure and putting on some type of hydrating primer, but you all know your skin best. You do you. All I'm saying is, I would order, like, I would buy this again, and I actually planned on returning it. However, I mean, your girl might just keep it now, I don't know. But I really like it. Try it out. Go on there, take the quiz. I will tell you what I did do is I made sure to, like, once I figured out what my shade match was, I then went on YouTube and watched other people's tutorials to see what their skin tone was, to see if it matched mine in any way, shape, or form. And I felt like it did slightly, so I'm like, okay, well, I'll give it a shot just in case. There were some people who got a shade that's close, like this one, and then a shade that was like a little warmer. I'm definitely glad that they put me with the neutral one and not the more warm. I don't think I could have gone any more warm than this one right here. I'm definitely more neutral toned. So yeah, overall, I like it. Give it a shot. See what you think. It's not a bad buy. Bye, guys.